This one. Okay, excellent. So, do not go in my tasks. I'm going to delete this so you're just not confused. Delete task. And I'm going to delete this task. Okay. And is there a way to close it? Okay, there isn't. I would go to, okay, personal projects. Again, news for the nose milk. Just worry about yourself about this. I'm going to move this up for you. Can I move it up here? Move this up. Isn't there a way to... Okay. Well, whatever. Okay, news for the nose milk. Alright. All the special long pieces you see on the website. Yeah. Right. 1 second. Okay, let me go to news. Okay. So, now you have your news here. So, you gotta find the ones that you wrote this one, a man of few words. Okay, I'm gonna...
I don't see my others, from the WordPress.
Where's the other one? You wrote this one too, Geek Bearing Gifts.
Yeah. Now, again, there's like 18 others on WordPress.
Right. You're not gonna see the others on WordPress. You gotta put them in. They're not just gonna show up automatically. You know that, right?
Well, I published them on WordPress. That's all I did.
Yeah, that's fine. By the way, when the new site is up, don't publish. Only put the draft because there's all these steps to publish. But
Okay.
yeah, right now you're publishing. That's okay. This is a temporary site. That's fine. What you got to do is geek bearing gifts. Okay. Um, what you do is you push enter. You create a new one, right? Or you go to new task. Okay, and it does that. Go ahead and put your... Okay, so which one are we working on right now? In the name of optimism,
Yeah.
right? So let's copy view. Oh no, you want to look at the draft. Edit. Take over. Okay, you want to copy the permalink, right?
Yeah.
Okay. What is the name of your piece? In the name of optimism. So I want you to go ahead, put the title right there. In the name of optimism.
Just type it in.
Yes. Okay. Now, in the description here,
Yeah.
put the uh, not the put the link. Copy that link. Paste that link. Excellent. And next step, add me as a follower. And last step for you is create a new subtask here. Wait, stop moving the mouse. Let me move the mouse. Right here, subtask. And do you remember what you put as a subtask?
It's on something.
No, script completed
Oh, okay.
with a question mark. Yeah, I would put in all caps. It's more noticeable that way, but that's fine. And that's it. Once you finished it, you're not done with this piece because you still have to um, you still have to add the written descriptions for the artist in red. So you're not done with this piece. So I would not mark this completed. Only mark this completed when it's completed. Make sense?
Okay.
All right, then that's it. That's all you need to do to put a new task. But you have to go back to, obviously when you finish this the descriptions for this piece, you have to go back to this and you have to again find this.
Why don't I do why don't I do that now? I'm just going to add one drawing.
Well, I'd rather you do it when you actually finish it because otherwise you may forget, and then the script is completed, and then the proofreader will read it and be like, well, it's not actually completed. It'll then you have to go back again,
Right.
so it becomes a kind of a just for good practice. Now, are you done with the man of few words?
Yeah.
Let me open man of few words.
It's not on this list. Oh, there it is. All the way at the bottom.
A way to look at your posts is a way to look by your name. Yeah, right there, Joseph. Click on that, and now it'll show all the ones by you. Did you know that? You click on the author, Joseph Pravda, and it'll show only by you. Man of few words. Let's see what you got here. Okay, now I have a question about this one. I did read this one. I don't understand. You have a bunch of descriptions inside the text. It's a little.
It lumped that together uh, when I hit publish.
Oh, so you had these in a separate paragraph.
Yes.
But this sentence doesn't look finished. A cognis. Look it up. I
It
mean,
is. It is. You see the dash is after the word thingies 3 lines down.
dash is after the word thingies 3 lines down.
Look at the last red line on the first red insert.
Let me pause the video recording. Okay, so I started recording again. So the man of few words is what you've done, which you punctuated the images with the text. You will then put the link here. Okay, so as usual, like that. Okay, and the only difference you're gonna do is you're gonna comic format. That's it. That tells the that tells the artist, hey, the artist and proofreader that hey, the text is going to be part of the image. The only way to do that, where all this text is going to be actually be part of the image. Does that make sense to you?
Got it.
Okay. So yeah, I okay. So and that's going to end up looking like this. See that? This is not HTML text.
Right.
This is part of the image. Okay, and the last step is script finished.
Yeah.
And I think your script is actually finished for this, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so then we will go ahead and mark this.
You misspelled script.
Yeah, yeah. I think someone is pushing the control and button. Okay, not anymore. And you mark that. Boom. This tells the proofreader, okay, it's ready to be proofread. So that one's done. Geek bearing gifts. Now let's see. Yeah, your script here. This is the script you wrote. You need to be a little bit more descriptive of your whatchamacallit. You need to be more descriptive of your
Of the picture. But it says
image.
to me that that one is complete.
Emerging
What's it using?
spoofy. Well, I'd say cartoon a punky Trojan horse. See, punky Trojan horse. Like, it's a little confusing. Let me pause the video recording. So for the actual site, do not click publish. Click save draft, because publish will actually publish it to the site. We don't want to do that.
And
Uh,
actual, when you mean actual site, you mean
the one version I released in October.
okay.
You'll find out. You'll know when the actual site is
Right.
up.
That's the future. Okay.
That's the
We're just
future.
looking when it's published.
Yeah. Okay. So next one, advanced copy of Quantacorp's.
Right. We got the. Here's a mixture of drawings and video.
Okay. Does every one of your pieces have video?
No.
Okay.
It's only these last, I guess, 4 or 5 that I did today.
Okay.
The others are heavy on drawings.
Yeah, I'm just copying it to somewhere else where it doesn't render. The URL bar does not render HTML. So I am doing a cheat where I could use Notepad and it'll do the same thing.
No, no, but that's pretty amazing.
Yep, there you go. That fixes the problem. I think it
I
does.
think I had two drawings there. I'm not sure.
Let me see. Does the YouTube videos work? No, it doesn't work. Okay, so apparently that didn't fix the problem. Whoopsie daisy. Okay, so I'm gonna have to. Jesus. I'm gonna have to. Okay, let me stop the recording because I know what I have to do. I gotta do. Go here. That should do it. Yeah. So you gotta see this. I'm gonna pause the recording. Recording. Go ahead and put this in Asana. How do you do that?
Oh, wait a minute.
Shortcut. Control A. You hit Control and A.
I don't like using those.
Oh,
All
okay.
right, copy. All right, so now I have to go to
Look at the tabs up top, Asana.
Asana.
Yeah, I think Shift Tab is a shortcut to go. That's fine.
No.
Nope. That's a description. Yep. There you go. Okay.
Description is the URL.
Yes. And this is not in comic format, so you're good. So you don't have to put comic format then.
Wait a minute. What did I? Oh, here we go.
Permalink. Yep.
Bless you.
Thank you.
All right, I'm adding you.
Yep. And one more step.
Where the hell do I put script unfinished? Here?
You click on this subtask. See
Oh yeah,
the
that's right.
yes.
Ugh.
One time only. No, no, no. One time only. And check that.
Now what do I do?
Go to the next one. Okay, let me fix these frames for you.
Okay, here we're gonna have a couple.
All right.
So we update.
Yeah, you gotta add some more. So this is not a finished script, right? So I'll click the update. So go ahead and tail of space. Yeah.
Wait a minute, we're still on this.
That's fine.
Oh, oh yeah, yeah,
Yeah. Last one. And new. Excellent.
yeah. All right. And drawings here.
Okay, I'm gonna stop the recording. You forgot to add me here as a follower. Alright,